Artificial intelligence developments have recently gained traction. Only in the last few months, the emergence of a chatbot appears to have shaken up the world on many levels, presenting both thrilling new prospects and raising some possible red flags. AI technology appears to be threatening the global financial foundation of higher education, as students have swiftly learned to exploit AI-powered shortcuts in performing their schoolwork. It has already begun to shake up the creative sectors, with huge firms already laying off employees and substituting humans with AI to generate their content. Hence, while the promise for automation and efficiency is apparent, the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence raises fundamental ethical concerns, such as unemployment levels or disruption of the academic experience. In this video, we will look into ChatGPT, a technology that has flipped the world upside down and has only shown us a fraction of how our lives will alter in the coming years and decades. Hello and welcome to Economic News. Please like the video and subscribe with all notifications turned on if you are enjoying the video so far. Now, let us get back to the video. ChatGPT is a computer software that released in November 2022 that allows you to have a WhatsApp discussion with a robot that has what feels like every bit of information that has ever been discovered, excluding everything about 2021 technically. But it can summarize books, rewrite your work, make poetry, or explain quantum theories in a way that even a 5-year-old can grasp. The term GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which basically implies that it was trained on a substantial body of text and is capable of producing new replies based on what it has already discovered. I asked ChatGPT to create a poem on economics, and this is what it came up with. Economics, the study of trade, supply and demand, prices made, a dance of money, buyers and sellers, a field that affects us all, economics compellers. Bear in mind that this was produced by a robot in approximately 3 seconds with no context, and it gets a lot more fascinating after that. One of ChatGPT's strengths is its ability to summarize and reinterpret information. You may ask it to produce a 10-page thesis on Shakespeare's works or a doctoral thesis on the links between ancient mythology and the Marvel Cinematic Universe. This has clearly provided pupils with an extremely potent weapon for deceiving the academic grade system. Naomi S. Barron, a linguist and professor emerita of linguistics at the Department of World, has lauded ChatGPT for its writing abilities. It's better than most of the writing I've gotten from students over the decades, she says. It's no surprise that these pupils are eager to employ the chatbot in their homework. In an interview, writing coach Peter Laffin commented, ChatGPT has the capacity to blow up our entire writing education curriculum. The more easily available this is for younger students, the more problems this will create. We may have to rethink education from the ground up, he concluded. ChatGPT has even been outlawed in certain schools throughout the world, from the United States to Australia, France to India, and many other places in between. But no matter how hard they try, they will only be able to hold AI at bay for so long. The fact that it has made such a stir in schools and colleges just serves to highlight how shallow and out of date the education system is. I remember from my time in school that there was an excessive emphasis on writing length and hitting specific keywords while churning out material rather than promoting critical thinking and inspiring pupils to utilize their imaginations. As long as the curriculum is flawed, the usage of AI will simply highlight its flaws. So perhaps ChatGPT might genuinely bring about a constructive shift in this area. Similarly to how AI has influenced education, another field where this technology is already having an impact is entertainment. We can already witness a rush to arms among corporations that produce information online, whether it is on blogs, YouTube channels, or even Twitter accounts. For example, BuzzFeed has laid off over 180 individuals, accounting for approximately 12% of its total staff. In 2023, you'll see AI-inspired content move from a research and development stage to part of our core business, enhancing the quiz experience, informing our brainstorming, and personalizing our content for our audience, said company CEO Jonah Peretti. Even sitcoms might never be the same again. Watch Me Forever, a Twitch channel, recently came up with an unusual concept, a parody of the classic 90s sitcom Seinfeld, written and animated by AI that played non-stop 24/7, providing an infinite stream of new jokes that never repeated. The experiment, however, was cut short when Twitch blocked the channel after the actors began making obscene remarks. Despite the clumsy implementation, the potential of such an idea is definitely impressive. Therefore, you may be wondering, are we just doomed? What chance do we have of ever getting a job in this market if AI is already so powerful? And you would be both true and incorrect, since while ChatGPT can achieve a lot, it also has restrictions. In actuality, I'm using ChatGPT to organize some concepts for sections of this video, but it's still up to me to explain, reinform, revise, reorganize, and filter through all of the output that it creates. Assuming you could just say, "Hey, ChatGPT, write me a script for a YouTube video," record it, and click submit is a really stupid assumption. Consider this chatbot to be a very capable personal assistant. It will do almost everything you want it to do, but you must know what to ask and how to use the information it provides. One point on which experts appear to agree is that AI won't be able to fully develop its creative abilities anytime soon. That is, to come up with completely unique ideas out of nowhere without human input. I am convinced that artificial intelligence will significantly affect all industries in the future. Fostering innovation is one approach to keep your market relevance. You will become irreplaceable if you maintain a creative mindset and learn to use AI to increase your productivity. But I'm interested to know what you think. Have you ever used ChatGPT? Has it had any effect on your experience, whether at school, work, or simply for enjoyment in your spare time? Please let me know in the comments section below. Also, please check out our other videos on the channel. This has been Economic News, and goodbye!